If you're looking for an easy and simple way to send invoices to clients, well, look, I have the solution for you. CloudSpot Studio is where it's at. It's a super easy CRM to use, and it's built on the back of CloudSpot, the gallery services that we use to deliver our clients' wedding photos and engagement photos. So photographers, this was built for you by photographers. They know exactly what you need, and they have invoice features built in here, as well as contracts, questionnaires, and it's a CRM, guys. It's free. It's free if you use one of CloudSpot's gallery tiers. And guess what? CloudSpot actually has a free gallery tier. So you can actually sign up for CloudSpot for free and get the CRM for free. It's a no-brainer if you're trying to save money. If you're a photographer who's just starting out, no-brainer. Get started with CloudSpot Studio today. You can get 50% off any of their tiers, though, at the link in my description. So we use the unlimited plan, and highly recommend it because we never have to worry about how many photos we're uploading, and we get all of the features, and we can sell our prints right there in CloudSpot, and we make all of the money. You don't have to worry about percentage going to CloudSpot or anything. All the money goes right to us. So anyway, let's dive into CloudSpot Studio here, and I'll show you how to make an invoice. So here we are in CloudSpot Studio. This is the dashboard that you're gonna see when you log in. You can come down here to Invoices, and you can create a new invoice right here. We can start from scratch here if we want, and let's invoice name, invoice test. We can search for our clients. We'll type in myself. Item name for being an awful YouTuber, and I'm gonna charge myself like $5. All right, that's it. There we go. That's it. You want to add some tax? You can add some tax. For me, where I live, it's 6%. You can add a discount if you want to. You can add some text down here. Look, that's it. That's how you do this. You can add multiple payments. If you wanted to split this up into multiple payments, you can do that. Guys, it's really simple to send an invoice off, and then you can go and click send invoice, and it'll take you to this page here where you're then able to send them a quick email. You'll see what the email looks like here on the right. I love this feature. And you can say your invoice is ready, blah, 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 blah. If you want to change all of this, here's a quick summary. You suck at YouTube. All right. Or even better, how about this? Likes are free. And then you can send off this email to the client. They can pay right there. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. So that's how you send invoices right here in CloudSpot Studio. It's a breeze. I love it. You can go sign up for CloudSpot today. Link in the description. All right. If you want to learn about how to send contracts and get my contract template, if you haven't watched that video yet, that's right here. So click to watch. Click to watch. Why you haven't clicked it yet? You should click it. Click it.